Today I'm going to be ranking my top 3 favourite Scratch games, and the last one is just insane. Now this first project is actually my project. It is a 4D cube simulator. Wherever your mouse is, the 4D cube follows. This is actually amazing. I didn't know I could create such advanced stuff like this. Now I'll rate this an 8 out of 10. It's an amazing game which has a 4D cube which follows your mouse, but still, it won't really cure boredom and keep people on the game for a while. Next game you guys will most likely to have heard of. This game is called Jumpy Dash. It is insanely fun and it can cure boredom. It may not be really hard to make, but it is really fun to play. Now I rate this a 9 out of 10. It may be really easy to make, but it easily cures boredom. Now this game is by far my most favourite and enjoyable game. It's called Mini Golf 3D, and wherever you click the goal, that's where the goal shoots. Your objective is to get the golf in the hole. And there are a bunch of different levels. And if you fall down after, you have to restart the level. It's really fun. All of these games are going to be in the link on the description below. This game is easily a 10 out of 10. Amazing gameplay while being so enjoyable. Okay guys, I guess that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.